perpendicular to both vector A and vector B. My dear, I will tell you this is vector A and this is vector B. A cross B vector will be perpendicular to both A and B. That is why direction क्या होगी A cross B की? It is the direction of unit vector. Try to understand. I am telling you the important thing. Okay? That is why you see इस direction में आपको unit vector निकालना है. So first of all you find out that suppose this is vector A. A is I minus 2j and plus 3k. Vector B, this is I plus 2j and minus k. First of all, you find out A cross B. A cross B vector. It will be equal to, you must have to find out A cross B by using the determinant which you have studied in the first book. इसके the coefficient of it 1 minus 2 3. 1 2 minus 1 equal to, first of all you take I lift this column and this row, that is minus, that is 2, negative into negative positive, minus 6, and it will be minus j you will take for this one, leave minus 1 and minus 3. Here you take k unit vector, delete this column and this row, this will be 2 and plus 2. Okay, it will be minus 4i and plus 4j and plus 4k. Find out its magnitude, my dear student. Magnitude you find out, then only you can find out minus 4 square and plus 4 square and plus 4 square. It will be equal to how much? 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus 16 and plus 16. It will be equal to 4 root 3. Okay, unit vector, this will be perpendicular. Unit vector perpendicular to both vector A and vector B. Magnitude. A cross B already we got minus 4i plus 4j and plus 4k. Divided by its magnitude, that is 4 root 3. 4 root 3. It will be equal to minus 4 upon 4 root 3 I and 4 upon 4 root 3 j and plus 4 upon 4 root 3 k. 4 that will be cancelled. Minus 1 upon root 3 I plus 1 upon root 3, that is 1 upon root 3, because 4 will be cancelled, j and plus 4 will be cancelled, 1 upon root 3 k. My dear student, that will be the unit vector which will be perpendicular to both